Hey YouTube, how y'all doing today? Hey, I just wanted to get in here and share this little project with you guys, this video. It's a great little hack that the original idea for this I got from James Bender over at Waypoint Survival. It's a small oil lamp. And his oil lamp was originally made from a tuna can. And he just picked a point, pushed in the ends a little bit to hold a little bit of wicking. And the wicking you use is the type that, it's the flat wicking that you would see in like small oil lamps and lanterns that you would find at like Myers, Walmart, places like that. And it's usually over where they keep the candles and stuff. And it was just a great little hack. If you've never been to his channel before, you really ought to go check out the content that he's got. He's got some of the greatest hacks that I've ever seen in a long time. All kinds of things along the lines of camping ideas, bushcrafting, survival. He's just a wonderful guy. Got a great mountain of ideas and content at his channel. So yeah, you really should go over and check it out. Anyway, when I got to looking at it, I thought, well, you know, I could make mine just a little bit better, I think, by taking and using a canned ham can. The reason I did was because it will actually hold a little bit more oil in the reservoir than a tuna can. But also, because the shape lends itself more to reminding you of the oil lamps that you would see in all these old biblical movies, like the Ten Commandments with Charlton Heston and so forth. If you've ever watched them, you notice in the background, in the night scenes, whatever, they have these oil lamps. They're usually made out of clay, and these lamps have been around for thousands of years. As a matter of fact, in some places in the Middle East, they still use these things today. They're just a great, great little lamp. And you can use just about any kind of oil in it. I would have preferred to use the liquid paraffin oil myself, but I don't have any right at the moment. So I figured, well, a little bit of cooking oil would work just as good. But instead of, you know, just pouring out a portion of the cooking oil, which I could have been used for cooking instead, I just poured out just enough to wet the wick to make sure that the thing would work. And sure enough, I lit it up and it works great. Now, I'm not going to light it right now because it is a little bit sooty. But in an emergency situation, you know, it would make a great emergency lamp. You know, it doesn't put out a great deal of light, but it puts out enough light that you can actually see where you're going in a darkened room. And it's just a great idea. You know, I was really impressed with some of the stuff that this guy has got on his channel. So, yeah, I wanted to give him the shout out. So, if you get a chance, go over and check it out. If you liked my video, go ahead and give me the thumbs up. Leave some comments. You know, they're always welcome. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscription button. Hit the notification button while you're at it so that when I do have upcoming videos being put out, you'll be notified as soon as they come out, and you can go ahead and come on back and check them out. Hopefully you'll find a lot of content in mine that you really like. And I do have a lot of great content coming. So y'all stay tuned, hang in there, and we'll see y'all again on the next video.